Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and has internet because the firmware downloads through your phone. Next, put both AirPods into the case and plug the case into power. Leaving them charging is critical. Turn on Bluetooth and keep the case open near the unlocked iPhone. This establishes the connection. Once done, the update can install automatically, so make sure nothing interrupts power or connectivity while you move to the next step. You now check status and encourage the update. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods to note the current firmware. This tells you if the version changes later. Then keep the case plugged in, lid open, and leave both AirPods near the unlocked iPhone for 15 to 30 minutes. The phone must be online. If you don't see change, close the case for 10 seconds and reopen while still plugged in. This often prompts the transfer to begin. You finish by verifying the update. Revisit Settings Bluetooth and confirm the firmware number has changed. If the firmware did not update, perform a targeted troubleshoot. In Bluetooth, forget the AirPods, then reset them by holding the case button until the light flashes amber then white. After that, restart your iPhone and pair again. Resetting clears hitches in the pairing process and forces a fresh handshake, which often allows the firmware to download and install when the case is plugged in and the phone is connected to the internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.